What's going on YouTube? Bryce Christian 94 here, bringing you another miniature painting video. And now today we have a Drow Arachnomancer. So, this was a thing I didn't really know about until a few weeks ago. We got a Drow Arachnomancer in one of our icons boxes. I believe it was a Monsters of the Multiverse. Really cool set and really cool like creature humanoid being. They are Drow, you know, the dark elves. They can communicate with spiders. They can also transform into a spider. So the number one reason I wanted to paint my own was that the multiverse figure, or the icons of the realms figure, just looked like a Drow. There was nothing that said this is a Drow Arachnomancer. So lo and behold, going through some Loot Studios stuff, Expedition to the Underworld was on sale a month or two ago. That was on sale. So I picked that up, and it had this lovely figure in it, a Drow Arachnomancer, who, as you can see, has a spider crawling across his hand, and is also like Iceman skating on a pile of spiders. As well as throughout the cape. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I can't really see them on the camera. There's one there. You just barely make it out, but that is a spider. So there's spiders kind of crawling on them throughout. So what I did is primed it black, primered it with the Wraithbone white, and then I did go ahead and touch up the spider pile with some white dry brushing, as well as the front, because I realized I'm painting this figure very dark, so I want a little more white on it. So let me pull up this. I found a picture of a really cool Drow that I'm gonna base this off of from the internet. So a lot of blacks, a little bit of red. We're going to be using matte black for his cape, or this bottom cape here, just the back of it. Then I have, but I don't remember what I'm doing for the chest. Oh no. Oh, I remember now. So I have this hardened carapace here, and that will be this chest in here. Let me get so you can actually see it. So that will be his chest armor. Then I'm going to be breaking out the Wraith Black, which is more of a bluish black, and that's going to be this back cape and his arms there, as well as his boots. The pants I forgot to mention, I'm just going to do in matte black as well. Then I've got the speed paint Holy White for his whitish Drow hair, because it is a grayish color once it dries, but it leaves some white, so I think that'll actually look good, even though his hair actually looks pretty good as it is. I have Underdark Gray, which is a wonderful Drow skin color. You don't even have to do anything to it, honestly. Then I have some Succubus Red, which I'm going to darken up, and the insides of his cape, as well as this front piece here, are going to be that Succubus Red. I've got some Vallejo Gunmetal, which is now my official favorite, well, metal color for these bangles he has on his hands, as well as around his belt here, and some armor on his, I think that's on his boot, but it could also just be on his pants. But we're going to make it silver. And then finally, I have a Grim Black to do the base and the Spider Horde, because I thought that would be a really good color to do for that. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get to painting. back. But before I reveal the finished Drow Arachnomancer, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to let me know you like the video. Leave a comment if you want to see me do something differently or try something out, maybe suggest a miniature to paint, and subscribe if you're not already, because that's how you'll see all these videos plus the icons of the realms opening, monster corner, and other random stuff I do on the YouTubes. So enough of that, let's check out this figure. So here is the finished Drow Arachnomancer from Loot Studios. And I got to say, I really like this guy. The sculpt is amazing. I completely spaced out that there's a little sword here. And I actually think that the sword is supposed to poke out back here somewhere. But apparently mine broke. And I didn't realize it until I was painting. And I'm like, oh, hey, there's a sword there. But I like how the chest piece turned out. I didn't really do a lot of highlights. I did some, which I'm not too keen on there on the black. Just a little bit of that like bluish color. Oh, my camera is super freezing up. I'm good. Camera not good. What's happening? Okay. Okay, it looks good. Not sure what was happening there, but yeah. Hair turned out fantastic. Really love using the Army Painter's Holy White, which is right here. This was probably my least favorite Army Painter color, and it turned into probably my favorite for hair. It's not my favorite by any means, but it is one of my favorites. Also, since I set him off to the side, you'll see some spiders. Those won't be in the video. They were just all done really quickly with speed paints. They're actually currently drying, which is why they're still here. But hey, what's a Arachnomancer without some giant spiders? They're for home game, but they're pretty cool. Kind of infinity gauntlet of spiders. But yeah, I love it. I'm just looking. Like the wash, I think it turned out really well. I'm glad I just did the shadow wash. I probably could do some more with his face, and maybe in future videos I will kind of brave the face, but I'm just not there yet for my skill level on especially this type of miniature. I mean, I think his face is fine. I love that color. Like, that's no wash or anything added. I think that color is just fantastic. And I don't think a wash would have done much to his skin color, so that's why I left it alone. And his pile of, I feel like they're dead spiders that he's standing on. I don't know. That, or it's like a rock covered in dead spiders, maybe. Or he's just like Iceman surfing on some spiders. I haven't really figured that one out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun to paint. Look forward to more Loot Studio models coming. Again, I'm not affiliated with them, but I love their models. Actually, all four of those spiders there are their giant spider model from the same pack that the Drow Arachnomancer here is in. So their link will be in the description below if you guys want to go check them out. Fantastic company. They seem really good with their fan base. They take critiques, suggestions, all that fun stuff. So yeah, check them out. Continue checking me out, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.